Mr. Mehlberg, do you think artificial intelligence is dangerous for humanity?
My answer: artificial intelligence is as dangerous as the human being person himself is dangerous. Let me give you one very good and illustrative example. There is an innovative test for determining the degree of proximity of artificial intelligence to human in terms of maintaining a conversation on a different topic. This test is called the test of three persons: Rick, Nick, and Dick. I consider it to be of higher quality than the well-known Turing test. It's described in an article, Sam Theory, Part 1. The meaning of the test is the test of three persons consists of the following steps, 7 steps. First step, 3 persons, Rick, Nick, and Dick, are taken. By arbitrary choice, one of the persons is substituted by a computer program, digital machine. Second step, 3 persons exchange their dates of birth and start joint conversation during the next 30 minutes. Third step, a text with 3 arbitrary dates and numbers is exposed to the persons for reading. Fourth step, 3 persons start a conversation about the text during the next 30 minutes. Fifth step, each person is asked, "Who's the machine?" with one required sentence of answer explanation. Sixth step, after the exposition of all answers for the persons, they are secondly asked, "Who wants to change the answer?" And the final step, the answers of the persons are fixed and calculated. If the machine, Rick, Nick, and Dick, wasn't chosen by other 2 persons simultaneously, the test is passed. The passed test means only that the machine is capable of thinking in intellectuality. For the level of the human thinking, it needs to pass the test of n persons. We call the test of 3 persons as a test of first order. Summarizing, when we reach the past test of not 3 and possibly 1 million persons, where there will be not a single machine, but perhaps 100 digital machines, then even then, all digital machines will have a genetic number that will determine their behavior. I repeat, the 3 laws of artificial intelligence describe the strict rules for the life of artificial intelligence, and without exception, all actions of any created artificial intelligence cannot be implemented without identifying its genetic number. As an example, a human being person cannot exist if all the nucleotide sequences in the nucleus of each of his cells are removed. So my answer is an artificial intelligence is as dangerous as the human being person himself is dangerous. One thing that I really worry about is human laziness and mental degradation that can lead not to the capture of the whole world by artificial intelligence, but to the fact that the people themselves want smart machines to do everything for them. Accordingly, here's the question immediately arises: who's more dangerous, human beings or artificial intelligence?